Hey there, I'm Jennifer Bands, and today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this French onion soup with a special ingredient. All right, let's get started with this French onion soup. The first thing we have to do is chop a bunch of onions. I've got 2 yellow onions here that I need to slice thinly. They've already been peeled, and they've been cut in half, so now I'm going to slice them as thin as I can. A sharp knife is very helpful with this. And when you get to the edge where it's kind of like thicker and you don't want to chop your fingers off, I just mince those up. All right, I'm going to finish with the rest of these onions. Okay, we've got our onions cut. We've got a big heavy pot here, and I'm going to heat it over medium heat. I'm going to heat 3 tablespoons of butter. Okay, we've got our butter melted, so now I'm going to add all of our onions to the pot, along with a half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Stir that up. Now we're going to cover it with a lid for about 5 minutes just to get the onions started on the softening, because it's going to take a while. Okay, now we can remove the lid, and these have really softened quite a bit. So now we just need to let them brown, and it's probably going to take 45 minutes to an hour for this to really break down and get nice and golden brown, but it's so worth it. It is so worth it. While those are browning, let's talk about my secret ingredient. So, surprise, my secret ingredient is pumpkin puree. Pumpkin puree in this French onion soup is so good. I'm just telling you right now, it doesn't taste like pumpkin. It just gives it so much depth and flavor, and it thickens your French onion soup. You've got to try it. You've got to try it. Okay, so we're gonna let these onions cook down and brown. Okay, our onions are looking absolutely amazing. So now we're gonna add our secret ingredient. Got a half a cup of pumpkin puree. And we're also going to go ahead and add in 4 cups of beef broth. And I'm going to season with a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Look at that beautiful color. We're going to bring this up to a boil. And then we're going to let it simmer for about 10 minutes. While that's simmering, I'm going to cut my pieces of bread. You don't have to do this, but it just makes it easier to fit into the ramekins. I've got sola bread, which is a low-carb bread that you can find in most grocery stores, and I'm going to use a cutter to cut it into a circle just so it's easier to fit into the ramekin. It's just a little biscuit cutter. You could just use a knife. Okay, the soup is good. I tasted for salt. It needed a little bit of salt, so I added that. Now I'm going to divide it evenly between these ramekins with a ladle. Now we're going to put our pieces of bread on top. And we've got 4 slices of Swiss cheese that we've chopped. So I'm going to sprinkle that on top. And now we're going to carefully put these under the broiler until our cheese is bubbly and delicious. Okay, our soups are out of the broiler, out of the oven, and they look amazing. So I'm going to carefully transfer one to this plate, because whenever I put my spoon in this, it's going to overflow. Okay, let's try a bite. Ooh, I got some cheese on there. It's so good. Okay guys, be sure you check out this recipe, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.